How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. So if you want to send money on Cash App without identity verification, then let's jump right into it. Cash App is a mobile payment service available in the United States and United Kingdom that allows users to transfer money to one another using mobile phone. App is just free to send and receive money, stocks, or Bitcoin within the Cash App. It's a financial service platform and not a bank. If you're looking to send money on Cash App without identity verification, there are some limitations though. For example, you'll not be able to send or receive more than $250 per week, and you will not be able to use Cash App, Cash Card. Now, in order to use Cash App without verification, you first of all want to download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then you will have to create an account by entering your phone number and email address. Now you can skip the identity verification process. Now, in order to send a payment, first you need to enter the amount, then tap on Pay option, enter the email address, phone number or cash tag, then enter what the payment is for. After that, tap on the Pay option. Once you do that, the money will be sent. However, without the identity verification, you will only be able to send or receive less than $250 per week. And that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.